What's up, guys? It's Elliot, your reselling expert here on FUD. I'm here because I want to talk about what's the first step that you should do if you've never resold before and you're interested in getting started. So I'm going to be talking about the very first thing I recommend all beginners to do if they have no experience with this side hustle. So guys, if you're never resold before, I definitely recommend just selling something in your house to get started. So I think the biggest obstacle for a lot of beginner resellers is using the selling platform like eBay or Mercari. So especially eBay can seem very intimidating to some people. So becoming familiar with how to use the platform and how to actually, make money selling something online is an important skill to know how to do before you then go to, garage sales or auctions or thrift stores where you're actually spending some of your own money, which then involves more risk. But so it's important to first sell something that you own